Hey everyone, this is Dhruv Mohan from Tech Insider India, and today I'm giving you the top features for the OnePlus 9. You get a 6.5-inch Fluid AMOLED screen on the OnePlus 9. The screen supports HDR10+ and has a peak brightness of 1100 nits. This is a bright display that will retain great detail and provide a better viewing experience. The screen also has a max refresh rate of 120Hz, which comes in handy when you're gaming. You also get an in-display fingerprint scanner on the smartphone, which is very quick. OnePlus 9 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G chipset, the most efficient processor from Qualcomm. This chipset can run any and every app you throw at it. This also enables the smartphone to be 5G ready. Just like its siblings, the OnePlus 9 runs on Android 11 out of the box and comes with Oxygen OS 11 skin that is neat and almost stock Android. There is a main 48 megapixel wide-angle sensor that features omnidirectional face detection autofocus. This will help you to quickly point and shoot with the OnePlus 9. Then there is a 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor for covering more room, and finally you get a 2 megapixel monochrome sensor. The camera features Hasselblad's color calibration and can shoot in HDR as well. You can record 8K videos on the smartphone at 30 FPS, 4K videos at 30 and 60 FPS, and 1080p videos at 30, 60 and 240 FPS. On the front, we get a 16 megapixel shooter that can shoot in HDR and can record 1080p videos at 30 FPS. OnePlus 9 packs in a 4500 mAh battery that supports 65 watt warp charging. You also get a 65 watt warp charging adapter in the box. OnePlus claims that the smartphone can charge from 1 to 100% in just 29 minutes, which if true is truly groundbreaking. The smartphone also supports wireless charging of up to 15 watts. So guys, that were the top features on the OnePlus 9. For more such content, make sure to check out Tech Insider India.